If you're someone who is planning to apply to college or is already in the middle of the process, then you might be familiar with the term college essay. Writing a college essay can seem like a daunting task to many, not because of the difficulty level of the task itself, but due to the excessive and confusing amounts of information available on the internet. And so, in this video, we're going to be discussing simple tips for different college essays. To know more about college essays, you can watch our previous video where we have discussed the history of college essays and the various types of college essays. You can watch the video by clicking right here, and we are also going to be linking it in the description box below. Anyway, back to tips. You might have heard very often that there is no one way to write a college essay, which for the most part is true because everyone's story is different, but is also false because a few simple tips can help with the basic blueprint and structure of an essay. Always great for a start. Now, before we begin, here are a few things that you should keep in mind when writing your essay. Number 1, it is essentially the primary thing that admissions boards can use to get insight into you as a person. A lot of universities also incorporate interviews in the admissions procedure, but most often, the college essay is one of the major deciding factors of whether or not a student makes it to the admissions interview. Number 2, a good essay is always composed of mainly two things: who you are as a person, also known as your personality, and the experiences that have made you the person you are. Number 3, the airport test. Also known as the traffic test or the lunch test, is a test which is used by many universities, including Stanford, when judging a college essay. What this means is that the essay should be such that the admissions officer is comfortable enough spending time with the applicant in an empty airport, or if they're stuck together in a car in traffic, or while having lunch at a restaurant. It judges whether the applicant is knowledgeable, whether the applicant has insights. Are they enjoyable people? Are they nice to talk to? And are they open-minded? Number 4, and this is the last point for now, the purpose of a college essay is never to write about the most unique thing, but rather taking a unique approach to what you're writing about. Therefore, sharing your insights, ideas, and perspectives becomes extremely crucial. Be authentic. Now that that's out of our way, let's start with a few basic tips for a college essay. Any type of college essay. First, stick to the word limit. Do not exceed the word limit because the college has challenged you to state XYZ things about yourself in ABC number of words. They do so in order to make it easy for the admissions board to read your essay and to give every applicant a fair chance. Keeping the essay brief and crisp is always appreciated. Start jotting down basic pointers for your essay. This could be anything that you'd like to highlight about yourself as a person and as an applicant. Highlight the 2-3 things about yourself that you think the admissions board should learn about. It could be your opinions, your values and beliefs, or your qualities as a person and as a student. Those 2 to 3 things eventually become the theme of your essay. Start early and go through a few drafts. Write a draft, sit on it for a few days, read it again after a few days to see if the admissions board will find your essay interesting and engaging. Looking at your essay with a fresh mind always helps develop new ideas. Answer the question being asked. In the process of highlighting many things about yourself, do not forget to focus on the central topic of the essay. Don't just make a list, pause and reflect. Don't just list down your themes or things about yourself, reflect on those things. For example, if you say you're an adaptable person, then you need to give proof of how or why. And so saying something like, I am a person who can adapt to any environment because growing up, I moved around a lot, makes a lot more sense and helps the admission officer connect dots. Do not repeat yourself. If you've already stated something about yourself within your essay or in any other part of your application, then do not repeat it. If your resume says you are a great student who is academically inclined, then your essay could talk about your other qualities. Stick to your writing style. The idea of writing a college essay is not to put your vocabulary on display and use a range of big, complicated words. The idea is to express yourself clearly and comprehensively. Use your natural vocabulary. Get to the point. Be direct and do not beat around the bush. Answer the question being asked directly and make a strong point and stick to it. And lastly, get your essay edited. Ideally, having not more than 2 to 3 people of different age groups read your essay is helpful, as it would help you work on your essay using different perspectives. However, if you are unable to get 2 to 3 people on board, then having at least one person read and edit your essay is most preferable. Watch out for grammatical errors and long, wordy sentences. As mentioned earlier, these are tips you can apply to any kind of essay. So, here are a few things you should know about the different kinds of essays. Number 1. The statement of purpose. This essay is mainly asked for when the program is a research-based program. It asks the student to highlight their academics, their academic goals, and the future they want to build with the university they are applying to. One of the central themes of this essay is by default academics and professional goals. Number 2. The personal statement. Most universities ask for this essay to learn everything there is to learn about the applicant. They want to create a batch of diverse students, and the personal statements helps them decide how you, the applicant, fits into that diverse batch. It is therefore important to make the personal statement personal. Show your journey and develop your spike with regards to the program you are applying to. That is, state how you have reached a stage in your life where you want to apply to the program and the university you are applying to. Number 3. Short essays. When the application prerequisite is a bunch of short essays, also known as short answer essays, it means that the university wants to see your range as a person and as an applicant. They are asking you a variety of questions to give you the opportunity to highlight your various personality traits and experiences, and so each question needs to have a different and distinct answer that focuses on one thing and one thing only. And lastly, the video essay. As mentioned in our previous video, the video essay is often a replacement for the admissions interview. The university would either ask you to talk about yourself or ask you to answer 2 to 3 questions like you would in an interview. Again, stick to the given time limit, do not exceed, be yourself, have a conversational tone, and be precise. And that's it. Those are all of our tips and suggestions. Hope you found this video helpful. Watch this space for more such videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. See you soon.